Nick, Anna, and Nina are next.
Very good, yeah.
Hello, my name is Nina. I'm Elsa today. Happy Halloween.
Next we have Julia and Darius.
My name is Julia. I am skeleton. Happy Halloween. Hello, my name is Dory. I am Happy Halloween.
Next we have, who is that? We have Melody and Doreen.
Say louder. I am Daniel. Happy Halloween. Hello, my name is Melody. I will read today. Happy Halloween.
Now we have Mueller and Brian.
Happy Halloween.
Yay. Let's have a round of applause one more time for Alpha Class. Very good, Alpha Class.